so today's video will be more of like a crochet with me type of vlog, and I hope you guys stay in for the entire video. I have lots of projects that I will get done throughout the week, and I think I might go yarn shopping sometime. Also, I'm planning on making some new amigurumis. I'll be showing you guys how I work throughout the week, how much I get done, and stuff like that. So yeah, keep on watching and let's get to it. Alright, so to start the day, I'm going to go ahead and make my coffee and start my first crochet of the day. I usually start my crochet by planning what I'm gonna make, what I need to get done. I usually look through my patterns and see what I feel like making that day, if that makes sense. Also, ignore the random toddler gibberish in the background. You're gonna hear it throughout the video, so you've been warned. Anyways, let's make some coffee and then I'll go ahead and pick out what I'm going to crochet, and we'll get started. But yeah, by the way, if anyone wants to see the pattern for this little crochet bear, I actually found it here on YouTube. And yeah, mine didn't turn out exactly like the one from the video that I found, but yeah, I could actually make my own pattern for this and make it a little better. But yeah, let me know if you want to see a pattern for this one too. Anyways. So my husband actually went to go cut his hair for now. So yeah, in the meantime, all I've really been doing is I got 2 crochet bandanas done, and these are for a more of like a kid's size. If my daughter doesn't end up using these because she hates having stuff in her hair, so I'll probably end up selling these. I made a few extras for adult sizes as well. I might end up selling those too. So I ended up getting my shopping list done for the yarn colors that I need. Ignore the singing in the background. But yeah, so I have a few colors that I definitely don't have, and it's all supposed to be in a specific size as well. I think maybe, if not today, then maybe tomorrow for sure. I'll probably end up going shopping. I'll take you guys with me, of course, and yeah, we'll go ahead and get to see what we find, hopefully. But I have my patterns ready to go, so that is set aside. I will make YouTube videos specifically for each pattern. I have 4, so I'll make 4 videos separate for each of those. Yeah, sorry. So I'll make 4 videos separate for those. But yeah. Also, I don't really share much about my kids, but you will definitely be hearing them a lot in this vlog. So because of that, I'm going to give, for the people who haven't seen my kids yet, just a little refresher on who is behind all the noise. So this is Val. Say hi. Say hi. Say cheese. This is Val. She's 2 years old. She's turning 3 in August. Cheese. Okay, good job. She's the one who you hear singing, screaming in the background. Cheese. Anyways, and then I have a 1-year-old, and he is a nutcase. Here he is. Okay. All right, guys. So yeah, it can get a little chaotic. My 1-year-old, his name is Christian, and my 2 almost 3-year-old is Valerie. And yeah, let's go ahead and continue with the vlog. Alright guys, so it is the next day. So yeah, last night I didn't end up crocheting anything. I actually ended up doing my nails. If you crochet, you know that basically anything that is rough, the yarn can end up getting stuck, and then your yarn ends up all like gross and ugly. Yeah, so I couldn't leave my nails undone. This is what I did with them. I don't know if you can really tell, but it's just like a milky opal kind of. I'll post pictures for you guys, but anyways, today I want to go ahead and get more crocheting done to restock a couple more items so I can start selling again. I do have a fairly good amount of crochet stuff again. Some things I am going to keep for myself, but other things I am going to list on my page. I'm actually going to sell here locally. I won't be shipping anything out because shipping costs from here in Japan to anywhere else is going to be really expensive, so that is a no. I'm sorry. That's what we will be doing today. And yeah, let's get to crocheting. Okay, so I think I'm going to end up making another crochet bandana just like I did yesterday. So yesterday I got these 2 little toddler size bandanas done. One is like almost like a greenish blue, and then a black one. And for adults, I have 3 bandanas done. One is like a pink and black one, another one is just a plain black one, and then a full pink one. I think I want to go ahead and get like one in the bluish color done as well for the adult sizes. I don't want to make too many of like toddler sizes or adult sizes. I want to give these a chance and see how they do when I first start selling these again. You know, this will be just like a trial and error and see what people like more. That way next time I can make more of certain sizes and colors. So yeah. guys, so I was able to get most of the bandana done. I actually just need one strap to go, and my husband is actually on his way home, so I'm gonna go ahead and get started on making some steak for dinner. Just gonna leave this done. After we're done eating, I think today I'm going to go and do my yarn shopping. I'll take you all with me, and yeah, see you guys soon. By the way, this is how much I've gotten done. I got the whole thing done and one strap. I did the top edging and the side picot borders. My little man over here. Good. And yeah, I'm just going to finish this side strap and cook, and then I'll go shopping. So here we are. It is the next day, and I honestly I don't think I'm going to be showing everything that I got today, but I'm going to be saving that for a yarn haul for you guys. I'm going to go ahead and end the vlog right here. Thank you guys so much for 2,000 subscribers. I honestly didn't think that I would ever reach that as fast as I did. So I reached 2,000 subscribers in less than a month. I just want to say I'm very grateful for everyone who is giving the channel so much support, so much engagement recently, and it's honestly, I can't believe it, but thank you. Stay tuned for the following videos. I have a yarn haul coming up and some crochet tutorials coming up as well. Like and subscribe, comment, let me know what you guys thought of this video. What was your favorite part? Yeah. I love you guys, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!